Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at the HS175G. I'm going to show you how to hook this drone up. This is a drone that's made by Holy Stone. It has GPS, it's RTF kit. You get the drone and the remote control. You can get some spare parts. 2 batteries with this one. Your transmitter is rechargeable. USB-C there, your phone holder. This one connects to Wi-Fi to your camera, but it has excellent range. Nice big battery. That's a good clip there. There's the drone. Nice camera on there. You can move it at least to 90 degrees, maybe more, I'm sure. It has rubber feet. I really like that. Your bottom camera. So you want to unfold the front legs first, and the back. Plug in the battery. Let the clip down. Contacts up, just like that. Just slide it in until you hear it click. You do put your SD card right in, right there. Long press the drone's power button on the battery. And you also long press on the remote control battery. And give an opportunity to connect, to be bound to each other. And then to shut the GPS off, we're going to just hit the GPS button. So we're in ADI mode now. So if I wanted to fly it in the house, I could do that, or inside. Alright, so to start the motors, then you would just pull inward with the sticks down into the center. Same way to shut them off. Very nice. Have your nice LCD display there, so you can get the telemetry in real time. Very nice. So you can pick up satellites inside. How about that? Okay, so this drone is under 250 grams. The transmitter is rechargeable. I think I already touched base on that. Okay, so the transmitter functions, we have, there's the power button. You have your speed selection here. I have to put on my glasses. There's return to home button. Auto takeoff and land. Looks like a gyro or compass calibration. Or headless mode. And the same down here, like a gyro or compass calibration. And you have your up and down on the camera, and then your photo and video. Photos over here, videos here on the outside. Show you the camera, how it moves. Very cool. Nice looking drone. Looks really good. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and show you how to connect to the app. So you want to get your phone, open up the Wi-Fi, just like so. Go to the Holy Stone drone's Wi-Fi there. Just connect into that. Wait for a notification because it's going to tell you, it'll ask if you want to stay connected because there's no internet. And just select yes. On that, just tap that notification and then tap yes. Okay, then you can exit out of that. And we're going to open up the HS175G V5. Just a minute, kitty. Preparations. Then you can go through the calibrations. Calibrate. I believe this is for the gyro calibration. Yes. Now this is going to be the compass calibration. Okay, so we'll pick up the drone counterclockwise. So you hear a beep. Camera up, counterclockwise until you hear a beep. Okay, and then you're done with the compass calibration. Showing you that you can zoom in on the screen and out by pinching your fingers. Okay. Now let's go ahead and mount. Now we're seeing what the drone's actually seeing. It's looking at its box. Pretty cool. Fits in there nicely. You can raise and lower the camera. Very cool. Take a picture. Be on the inside. Start video. The outside button. Shut it off the same way. Okay, so we have take off, land, left spin, right spin, left sideward flight, right sideward flight, forward flight, backward flight. Alright guys, that will get you all set up and ready to fly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye.